Hello everyone, welcome to part 118 of Laravel 10 series in which we are creating the e-commerce website. So this is the final video of the shopping cart module, and after this we will start working on the user register login process. Okay, so in this video we are going to clear cart in Laravel. Okay, so we are going to empty the cart via Laravel. Okay, and via Ajax. Okay, so here I'm going to show you that this is the clear cart functionality, and once the user will click on this clear cart, we are going to empty this cart. Okay, so this one also we are going to do via Ajax. Okay, so there will be no refresh, no page refresh, the only the items will get refreshed. Okay, so this we are going to do instantly via Ajax. So let's start, and we are going to first add class to this clear card button. So I'm going to open here the card items blade file. So here I'm going to search the clear. Here it is the clear card, and in its class I'm going to add some like the link like empty card. I'm going to make this class empty card, and here it will not go anywhere. I'm going to just stop this link, and here now with this empty card I'm going to create the jQuery function in custom.js file, same like we have the delete card item. So identical function we are going to create here. Okay, so I will just create here the same function. Okay, you can see I have just created the same type of function, but will make changes in this one. Here I'm going to make it empty card. Okay, so here I will use this class empty card class. Okay, are you sure you want to empty your card, your card? Okay, so this one, sure you want to empty your card, and it will empty the complete card. And here I am going to change the URL as well, empty card. Okay, this one is not required, and here no card id is required because it will empty the complete card, and we're going to empty with the session id or the user id that I'm going to explain you. So this one is not required, rest everything seems to be fine. And here this URL we are going to create this one like we have created earlier the delete card, and now we are going to create the another route. So I'm going to copy this route to save the time, and here I'm going to simply write empty cart. Okay, empty cart, and this one also post route, and this is going to empty the cart. Complete card will get empty, and here new function we are going to create empty card function. Okay, so I will now go to the product controller where we are going to empty the complete card similar to delete card item. Okay, so I'm going to copy this function as well so that it will save our time, and here I'm going to add empty card. Okay, empty card, and this one empty cart like this. So here you can see that see we are not going to empty like this one I'm going to remove dollar data, and all this one is not required at all. So I am going to remove this one, and just I'm going to see I'm going to add one function empty card, and we'll create that function in the helper itself. Okay, like we have the total card items, get card items, and here I'm going to add the another function that we can add here like empty card. Okay, empty card, and what will happen if the user is logged in, then we are going to empty the card with the user id. Okay, by comparing it with the user id we are going to empty the card. Okay, and if the card is not empty, then we are going to clear it from the session id. Okay, it means the user is having the session if the user is not logged in. Sorry, if the user is logged in, then we are going to empty the card with the user id, and if the user is not logged in, it means that we are using the session for the user card. So we are going to empty the card with the session id by comparing it with the session id. Okay, if the user is not logged in. Okay, so so we are going to use this empty card function, and here this get return is not required at all, because here just we need to empty, and this one is also not required because we are just empty the card with this function. So I'm going to call this function here straight away in empty card. So here I will write empty card, okay, like this, empty card. And here we will simply call this function to empty the card, okay. So we can try this one, that it will empty the card or not. Let's see. Maybe it will give some issue, I don't have any idea. Let's see if we can able to empty the card by clicking on this click card button. So I'm going to click on this click card button. It is asking, are you sure you want to empty your card? If I will click on cancel, then it will not do anything. So if I will click on OK, then you can see it completely, the card is gone away. See this one, no products is there now, and also the mini card is empty. So everything is now empty. Even if I will refresh, see, it will not show any card items. So if in case you have added many items like 8, 10 items, 15 items, 20 items, so to save the time, you can click on clear card instead of removing one item at a time, like you will remove the first item, then second, third, fourth, fifth. No, that will take a lot of your time. And but you can simply click on click clear card, and the complete card will get empty. So it's really a good thing to have in the shopping cart module. So I hope that it is very much clear to you. So now from the next video, we are going to start working on the user register process. Okay, user registration, we are going to register the user to our website. We'll manage his account, and then move further with the checkout page. Okay, so please subscribe as well as join the channel. If you have not subscribed yet, then please subscribe for all the Laravel updates. Okay, so you can open this channel youtube.com/tech developers. Okay, and after opening the channel, please subscribe the channel, and you can always join the channel to get the complete source code and support. Okay, you can email me, you can connect me on Facebook, and if you have any query, okay, you can contact me anywhere, whether on Facebook, or you can email me, or you can add me, see, like this facebook.com stack developers 2 page, and can contact me. And you can also like the group. Okay, you can open this one, and there are many ways to contact me. Here you can see Instagram also, and you can join the group also. Okay, you can download the source code from the sidemakers.in also. So and you can also contact me also. Okay, you can contact me from the form also. Here you can see that you can also contact me via side makers. Okay, download source code, Laravel 10 tutorial, contact us, GitHub. So okay, so in the next video we are going to start working on the user register. So please stay tuned for the next video. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.